Hey, welcome back to the ezeep API Postman video series. In this final video, we're going to get the status of the job ID using the job ID that we received in our last request. So let's get started by looking at the documentation. So it looks like we have a get request here, and here's an example request. And obviously we don't need to add that in yet. That's a test. We're just going to grab the endpoint from here, and it looks like a get request, and we need a parameter of ID, which will be the job ID. So first, we'll pop that in there. And to add a parameter, we can just type in ID here. And let's just grab the last job status. So we can just highlight this and Control C. Okay, so that looks good. And then we go to the header. So we'll need the authorization. Okay, so that's working. So we have the header there. Do we need anything else? No, just a header and our get request. Okay, so that should work. Okay, so we're getting a response of 401 unauthorized. It looks like our access token has run out, so let's just get another one using the URL, which I have saved. Okay, then we go back here, and we go back to the access token. We'll just pop that in quickly. Okay, so we have a new access token now. That should automatically be saved there. And let's see if this works now. Okay, so we printed 4 pages. That's correct, I believe. I think it was so API documentation, job position 0, job status 129. Okay, great. That looks like it's working. So, I hope you found this video series helpful. If you do have any more questions, you can get in touch with us at service@ezeep.com. We'd be happy to help you out. And I look forward to seeing you in further videos. Thanks for watching.